Number 1.
1989 Ford F-150, price $10,000, presented as a well-maintained and stylish classic pickup, offering a strong combination of performance and modern upgrades. It is powered by a 302 V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, and has approximately 124,000 miles on the odometer. The truck is equipped with power steering, power windows, power locks, and a tilt steering column, providing a comfortable and convenient driving experience. It also features a fully functional cold air conditioning system and dual gas tanks for extended range. Visually, the truck stands out with a fresh new paint job, a billet grille, upgraded LED taillights, and brand new 20-inch Ultra wheels wrapped in new 20-inch tires. The suspension has been lowered with a 2/4 drop, giving it a more aggressive and modern stance. This F-150 holds a rebuilt Kentucky title and is described as a great driver, making it a solid option for both daily use and classic truck enthusiasts.
Number 2.
1998 Ford F-150, price $6,500, with 190,000 miles is being offered, and it remains in excellent running condition. This truck features a 4.6-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, along with a black exterior and a clean gray interior. The vehicle has been very well maintained throughout its life, previously owned by an older individual who took exceptional care of it. The interior shows no signs of wear, with no rips, tears, or stains, and it has never been smoked in.
Mechanically, it is in strong condition and ready to go anywhere without issue.
The air conditioning is powerful, the heating system works properly, and the tires are in excellent condition. Overall, this truck stands out as a well-preserved and reliable example, though it is now being sold simply because it is no longer needed.
Number 3.
2000 Ford Ranger, price $6,500, well-maintained and dependable pickup that has traveled 168,600 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features an attractive green exterior paired with a clean gray interior, both of which have been carefully preserved over time.
The interior remains in excellent condition with no rips, tears, or stains, and the vehicle has never been smoked in, keeping the cabin fresh and well-kept. Powered by a reliable 3.0L V6 engine with 4x4 capability, this truck runs and drives great, making it suitable for both daily use and light off-road needs. It comes with a clean title and shows no signs of rust, reflecting proper care and maintenance throughout its life. The exterior paint still looks nice, adding to its overall appeal, while the tires are in great condition and ready for the road. Number 4.
1989 Mitsubishi Mighty Max, price $6,000, equipped with the desirable 2.6L engine, paired with a manual transmission. It has 110,000 original miles, a gray exterior and interior, and runs on gasoline. This truck has received several upgrades and recent maintenance, including a Weber 3236 carburetor, Edelbrock electric fuel pump with inline filter, Holley fuel pressure regulator, and all new fuel lines. Engine servicing includes new Fel-Pro gaskets, fresh spark plugs, cap and rotor, thermostat, and a recent oil change. Additional features include Sylvania Silvastar headlights, new front corner lights, polished valve cover with HKS billet oil cap, new radiator hoses, coolant flush, oil catch can, new battery, and OEM gas cap. Overall, it is a solid, well-maintained classic truck with tasteful upgrades.
Number 5.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,999. It has accumulated 200,000 miles and remains in good running condition. Equipped with a 5.7-liter V8 engine and an automatic transmission, this 4x4 truck continues to run and drive well. It features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, giving it a cohesive vintage look, and runs on gasoline. This truck has been fitted with aftermarket wheels and an upgraded stereo system, adding a touch of customization. As expected for its age, it shows normal wear and tear, including a few small rust spots, though nothing major. Despite its overall reliability, the air conditioning system is currently not functioning. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 presents itself as a dependable and well-maintained classic truck with strong performance and character for its year.
Number 6.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,950. It is powered by a newly installed 350 engine paired with a brand new 4L60 transmission, ensuring strong and reliable performance. The truck has also been fitted with a new radiator, further supporting its overall mechanical condition. In terms of appearance and stance, it features a 5.7 bell tech drop combined with 20-inch IROC wheels, giving it a clean and aggressive look. The exterior is complemented by a brand new windshield and tinted windows, enhancing both style and comfort. Inside, the truck offers a gray interior with a center console seat.
The cabin has been refreshed with new carpet and a new headliner, creating a clean and comfortable environment. It is also equipped with a Flowmaster exhaust system, adding a deeper, more refined sound. Number 7. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, with 236,000 miles on the odometer, equipped with a manual transmission and powered by a gasoline V6 engine. This four-wheel drive truck features a short box stepside configuration, with a turquoise exterior and a gray interior. The vehicle is reported to run well and is scheduled to receive a new windshield. It also comes with a used set of front fenders, which can be included with the purchase. The seller offers additional services to paint and install them at an extra cost. Overall, the truck remains in solid condition for its age, showing only minor rust on the fenders along with a few dings and surface scrapes. Number 8. 1999 Ford Ranger, price $2,699. This particular unit has traveled 263,000 miles and comes equipped with a 2.5L four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission that shifts smoothly. As a rear-wheel drive regular cab, it offers simple handling and easy maneuverability, making it ideal for both city driving and parking. Finished in a white exterior with a gray interior, the truck remains clean and well kept for its age. It runs great with no known mechanical issues, and both the air conditioning, heater, and stereo system are in working condition, ensuring a comfortable driving experience. The vehicle has been recently smogged, is registered through 2026, and comes with a clean title. Having had only 2 previous owners, the title is in hand, making the purchase process straightforward. Number 9. 1964 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500, timeless classic truck that captures the spirit of vintage American pickups. It is powered by a reliable straight 6-cylinder engine paired with a smooth 3-speed manual transmission, offering an authentic driving experience. With only 59,000 miles on the odometer, this C10 has been carefully maintained and is ready to run. The truck features a vibrant orange exterior that contrasts nicely with its gray interior, creating a striking classic look. Recent upgrades include new tires, a new seat, new floor mats, shiny chrome steps, and new door jamb rubber that is still to be installed. While it does have some rust on the floor and door jambs, these imperfections only add to its vintage character and authenticity. Number 10. 1998 Mazda B2500, price $2,500, reliable and well-maintained truck featuring a white exterior and a gray interior. It has traveled 290,000 miles and is powered by gasoline with a smooth automatic transmission, making it easy to drive for daily use or work purposes. The truck remains in excellent condition mechanically, with both the engine and transmission performing perfectly. While there is minor surface rust in a few areas, it does not affect performance. All systems are fully functional, and it has recently passed a smog inspection. Although the registration is only 2 months expired, the vehicle comes with a clean title, making it a dependable and practical choice for anyone in need of a durable truck.